Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today is an amazing day. As you can see, I got two packages in front of me. It's going to be the unboxing of the race fairings and the R1 style tank part 2. So as you know from my first video with the R1 tank, that tank was horrible. Got a lot of feedback from you guys. I know it was a piece of garbage. I know it was crap, but I just still wanted to show you how to install it. But I will be removing that one and installing this new one. Hopefully this new one is in a lot better shape, a lot better quality. So we'll soon find out. So enough with me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and straight with just picture taking to make this video quick. And then stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the review of the R1 style tank cover part 2, and then also the race fairings, actually part 2 on that one also, because the first set of fairings were also garbage. Alright guys, without going into much detail, as you can see, here is the tank cover. I'm not going to go into too much of review detail, that'll be for the next video, but just a brief overview. You can already tell 100% that the vents over here are a lot better than that cheap garbage I had before. So that's a quick overview. And the little emblems over here, they're actually a 3D plastic compared to that other one, which was just a sticker. And then here's a little special bonus for you guys. I also got this front spoiler, I would call it, but some people are calling it the Batwing because it kind of looks like the Batman symbol. So also it's just me a quick, it's not going to be a complete review. This thing is actually one solid piece. It's not hollow whatsoever, so really good quality. So stay tuned for that video on the review of this guy. Just want to interrupt our unboxing of our pictures that after opening up this flap over here, this piece here, this is actually a piece of wood. So I've never seen anything shipped like this with wood. That shows the quality of shipping that they do over at Armod. Alright guys, now that I already cut all the tape and everything from the paper, even though there was a lot, but that's okay because that just shows on the good packaging that they do. So let's flip it over and let's see how it looks. It looks freaking amazing, guys. I can't wait to really go in depth on the review of this product, but so far this is how it's looking. And I'll show you real quick on the next one, which is still wrapped up. So let's go ahead and unwrap that up. Alright, so now we're already done with the second fairing. So let's get that and flip this over. And again, same as the other side, it is looking really great. So can't wait to also do the review. I am super excited, super pumped. Don't mind these marks, that's probably just my oily fingers touching the black plastic. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes the unboxing of the fairings, race fairings, the R1 tank cover, and the surprise little front winglet, I say, or kind of like a front spoiler for the R3. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was just a really quick unboxing, just straight to the point, real quick pictures. I didn't want to bore you guys with me unwrapping packages. And if you want to see the amount of packaging I had unwrapped, let me show you that right now. So here's all the amount of packaging I just finished unwrapping. As you could see, it is a lot, but that's okay. That's to be expected when you are dealing with parts and when the company is willing to package it really well so it doesn't come to you damaged like those other garbage pieces that I received. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And this is just to show you what's to come with, I would say, a R1 project, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but it's pretty much the conversion of going from R3 to R1. So just replacing some parts that I received before that were no good. Obviously these two, and then obviously that new nice little addition right there. So, like I said, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button. That way you guys can be up to date when I post videos of the newest and latest thing when I do the videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.